You have to wonder. I think they also got that information a little off. If I remember correctly, it wasn't so much the engine just giving out randomly. What happened is when he went through that building, it weighed so much that he also busted through a piece of the floor and got a bit of his vehicle caught in some of the basement, I think. I could be misremembering, but then the engine gave out with him trying to free himself from there. But yeah, you have to wonder, if that didn't happen, how much more damage could he have caused to that city? How many more buildings could he have leveled? Man, the quality for this video in 1995 is nuts. Oh! Just like in GTA. Man, this predates the smartphone era, so we don't have a ton of camera angles here. But at least this cameraman really seems to be about that action. He's following it. This is on-the-scene ace reporting. How do you stop a tank? Man, what the fuck do you mean, how do you stop a tank? The question should be, how the fuck do you get away in a tank? All they have to do is wait. Like, you'll cause a lot of damage, but all they have to do is just wait. You'll either run out of gas, or something. You'll have what happened to Marv, where you bite off a little more than you can chew and you get your shit stuck. Like, all you do is wait. Like, I don't think they're gonna come out here with a goddamn javelin, like it's Call of Duty. Basically what you're saying is you don't stop a tank. No, when it comes to someone in a tank, you gotta treat it like Michael Jordan. You can't stop them, you can only hope to contain them. So you play it safe, you wait it out, you tell people, hey, get out the fucking road, there's a rogue tank out there. Jesus, they got the AC-130 out on them.
The tank chase, as it's been called, that's probably one of the, if not the most dramatic events that have ever occurred that involved the San Diego Police Department.
I would say that's probably a good assumption.
Well, no, I don't, to be honest with you. Have somebody make the phone calls and make the find out how much.
Man, that effortlessly just goes through a car.
Fire hydrants, you got hydrants that are blowing water in the air now. He's coming up towards the school. I don't know the name of the street. The units, this isn't a very, fast pursuit, that's for sure.
Stop the tank with Killdozer. Fuck, that'd be crazy. Oof.
My name is
Just erased it.
I'm retired from the San Diego Police Department. I was an air support unit pilot, and I was the pilot that was flying the helicopter the day the tank was stolen. And when we arrived,
what we need to do is
saw it
just to the best of their ability and their safety,
like running
keep
over in
these
the street.
cars away from. This is the San Diego Police Department. Get out of the street. Go back in your house. You're in danger.
See if we have any SWAT equipment that can help us out with this thing.
This
Okay, 10-4.
broadcast where it was going.
So, someone give me the lore. What happened to lead to this? I am not familiar with the San Diego tank rampage. I know everything about Killdozer. I don't know dick about the San Diego tank rampage. Man, fuck you guys. I'll just look it up myself. What is all this fanfic? Sean Nelson. He was an American veteran who stole an M60A3 tank from the California Army National Guard in 1995. Oh man, he got shot and killed by the police. In the week before his tank rampage, Nelson told a friend he was thinking of committing suicide. The following week, he told a friend that Oklahoma was good stuff. In apparent reference to the Oklahoma City bombing. Holy shit. Jesus. Around 6:30 p.m. on Wednesday, May 17th, Nelson drove his Chevrolet to the California Army National Guard. Employees at the armory were working late, and the gate to the vehicle yard was completely deserted and was left open. Tanks at the armory started with a push button and did not require an ignition key. The first 2 tanks Nelson broke into would not start. He lowered himself into the third tank, which was a 57-ton M60A3, and finally noticed a guardsman who approached the tank. Nelson started the vehicle, and with little chance of stopping him, the guardsman rushed to the phone to call the police. Since ammunition was kept in another building, none of the vehicle's weapons could be loaded or used by Nelson. Well, that's good. I also don't think one man can do that in a tank. I'm not familiar with modern tanks, but I went to that ranch in Texas back in like May. That's like a 2 or 3 person operation to load a tank and fire it. I don't think it's like a 1 person job. Ram Ranch. Nah, yeah, I turned that shit into a Ram Ranch. I bought a tank top thinking it'd make me look cool, but it turns out they only had women's tanks, so I just ended up actually making that shit look like Ram Ranch. Okay, so it looks like he did this, I guess, as like an elaborate suicide. Christ. Holy shit. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna go fill up my water and take a tinkle. I'll be right back. Oh, I streamed the Paradox game? Man, fuck no. What? Is it Prime Iris? Why would I do that?
So everybody could keep a safe. And we were equipped with a video camera.
I wouldn't even do that as a joke.
Video pictures of the carnage it was creating on the ground.
This guy's in big trouble.
This is
So does it mainly just run over cars? He doesn't target like buildings or anything like Killdozer? Oh my god, he hits like a mean drift here. Never mind, that looked a lot driftier when just scanning through. Anybody hurt? It doesn't say anyone was hurt on the Wikipedia. It seems like the only casualty was Sean, the driver. No, that's not a tank. It is a tank. What? What are you talking about? It's an M60A3 tank. And man, this man put it through the ringer here. How many miles did he go? That's the video we just watched. God damn, even on the interstate. Oh, did he try and hit that?
Abel, it's a pedestrian bridge south of Balboa. There's nobody on it right now.
That would have been fucked.
What the hell's your problem, asshole?
What is that? What? Oh, GTA sound effects. Damn, if he actually took down that bridge, that would have been so fucked up. Thanks for resub, Grim, in the Prime Parmy. What's worse, Chicago or Florida? Haven't been to Chicago. I think Florida's fine. Charlie's obsession with car chases. Man, what the fuck are you talking about? This is a tank chase. And it's because we just went over the Killdozer stuff again. I don't think I ever saw the tank stuff.
Freeway. The only thing I could think to say, I didn't recall at the time, but when we played the tape back, I said, oh my god, because...
Well, we're doing that as we speak.
Thanks a Prime Senpai. said he was going to a hospital because of a grudge. I saw that as rumor's the wrong word. They speculated that he may have been heading to the Sharp Memorial Hospital, which he unsuccessfully sued in 1990 and partially blamed for his mother's death. So I think that's probably a accurate theory. Wow. Also, the state of California paid $149,000, the equivalent to $265,000 in 2021, to cover property damage. So this whole rampage cost $265K. That is shockingly low. Marv, for example, got up to $7 million. He didn't destroy any buildings. True, but he went out of his way to destroy as many trailers and cars as he could, and he tried to take down that bridge. He rammed into the bridge structural support. So it seems like he was trying to cause damage. Sean was also addicted to meth. Well, that does explain a bit of it. Meth is not one of those wacky drugs.